You got to tell them what to do. You got it? People don't do that. Fall in love with your fans, not your content. One of the biggest mistakes a lot of YouTubers make, they make videos that they want to make instead of making videos that your fans want. You see, it's very easy to forget that there's another human being behind this watching you. You look at the thumbs up, you look at the numbers, you look at the views, you look at subscribers, and you think it's just a digit. Well, it's not just a digit. Let me tell you this. Behind this, there's a person, there's a human being with feelings, emotions, and struggles. Never forget that. Don't ever treat your fan like a digit. You got it? Hey, if you want me to teach you more about this, you want me to share more about this experience, you want me to make more of this kind of video, make sure you comment below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell and turn on the notification.